I'm going to show you how you can make your own videos and post them on YouTube. There are 3 ways where you can do that, at least to my knowledge. And okay, listen, right? First one is you have to use this program, Screencast-O-Matic. Go to this website. I will leave the link in the description for you. Maybe you need to sign up, or just create an account. If you don't want the advertising on your videos, you need to pay a small amount, then you won't have that. And then start recording. But first you need to have if you want to do the voice thing, or maybe like with webcam or something, it's up to you, whatever you want. You don't necessarily need a microphone. I don't have that. You can use a webcam just to record your voice. It's very easy to use. Just voice your own opinions and stuff, works kind of therapeutic. If you see all the bullshit that they're feeding you, right, you'll be like, okay, bullshit, You can share your opinion. That's great. There are always viewers for your videos. Number 2. What is number 2? Okay, number 2, I will show you. Okay, let's say you want to mirror a video from someone. You can do it like this. Here you see the title, the link. Just put here SS and then hit enter. It will bring you to this page where you can download the file, and then after that you can post it on your own channel and share it. Isn't that fun? Okay, the third one is you can use My Movie Maker. It's on almost all the computers. You can add some pictures or put some audio, music as background or something. Just be creative. Whatever you want to share. It's much easier when you do the talking, because it will be much faster. In the beginning, I was doing only this, very long. It took me very long to finish only one video. And I couldn't say what I wanted to say, so that's why I started talking. Kind of weird hearing your own voice. You're like, oh my god, I really sound like that. But it kind of you get over that. Anyway, if you want to make your own videos, just go ahead. There are always viewers who want to hear your opinions. If you want to help other people, that's only for the better. Because many YouTubers start and then they finish, they're done with it after a year or something and they are gone. That's what I wanted to do too. Came back. Anyway, if you're already having a channel, please leave a link to your channel in the comments so people can subscribe to you. And good luck to you. Don't be afraid to voice your own opinion. Thank you for watching.